Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford C-Max. I'm talking about Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 to year 2019. If you have one of those, you have problems where it's not reading the ambient temperature sensor, the temperature sensor of the air outside, and you want to know where the sensor is located. Stay with us, we'll cover that today. Now, before we start, let me just quickly tell you something about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So now let's go ahead and explain where that ambient temperature sensor is located. Back in the day, guys, okay, on most Ford vehicles it used to be under the bumper or somewhere behind the bumper, guys, or underneath, and that's where it will be on most modern cars. Even on a Ford Mustang 2018 model we did an ambient temperature sensor replacement. It was right there, okay, kind of like, okay, behind the grill here or underneath right there. But on this generation Ford C-Max, guys, that's from year 2012 to year 2019, it's hidden. And if you come right here, okay, let me show you now something. On the driver mirror, guys, if you look at it, okay, underneath it's nice and smooth. You just have the light here, right? That's the only thing that you have. But, okay, and right here, nothing. Okay, at all. I'm trying to zoom in so you can see better. But if you come to the passenger side, guys, okay, let me show you here the passenger side mirror. You come down and right here you find that sensor, guys. That sensor is your ambient temperature sensor. That's where it's located. Unfortunately, guys, okay, in order to replace it, okay, in order to replace that sensor, you will need to take the mirror apart. We'll have a video how to do that on I think on a Ford Focus, which will be very similar as well, so check it out if you need help with that. But you get the idea, that's where it's located. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you next time.